Changing your username on YouTube is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your Google credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to change the username. Step 2. Go to your channel. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select your channel to navigate to your channel page. Step 3. Customize channel. On your channel page, look for the Customize Channel button. Click on it to access the customization options for your channel. Step 4. Edit username. In the customization menu, find the Basic Info tab. Here, you will see your current username. Click on the pencil icon next to your username to edit it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Publish button to confirm and apply the new username to your channel. Now you have successfully changed your username on YouTube. Remember that it may take some time for the changes to reflect across the platform.